Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add some more to your games, kind of like, I guess you can call them add-ons. So right now we have a game. Object of the game is to collect these little collectibles without touching the enemy sprites. And so it works pretty good the first time, but it's still kind of boring. So we're going to talk about how we can spice this up to make it a little more interesting. Okay, so to do that, we are going to, first of all, we're going to add some sound. So we click on the stage, click sounds, we're going to add a new sound. I like to do music loops, and we can see what we can find here. So you can just pick one. Yep, we'll pick that one. Go to scripts. Just add a new script. It says green flag. Go to sound. We're going to play the sound until done. And because we wanted to play it forever, we're going to put a forever loop around it. So now when we start our game, we add sound.